Hey, good morning. This is Trent at the Overtime Garage, and you can see the Mega Jeep is in here for a little maintenance. The front end continually falling apart on this Jeep, which is normal for all Jeeps. But today, what we also had fall apart was the visor, and you probably had this happen too. These are built like crap. And so here's a fix. Instead of buying a $50 visor, I can't believe how expensive they are, here's what I have done. Because it's a Jeep, man, this actually makes it look cooler to have bolts sticking out of the visors. So first of all, this little thing fell off, and then it wouldn't clip in, and it would dangle around a bunch. And you know how it is with Jeeps, you're always putting the soft top on, taking it off. So you use these visors, get them out of the way all the time. And then eventually that broke the hinge side. And so I'm just showing you real quick. Drill a couple of holes, throw some, these are socket head cap screws that I had laying around. And it's usually up, so you don't see the shiny parts of the bolts anyway. It's a Jeep, man, it looks cool. So then go ahead and mount it back in the Jeep. I'll show you where it came out of. Can you see the holes? Oh, you can't. But anyway, they go right up in there. They have a crazy bolt up in them. And there it is right there. You can't even tell, but it's a Torx. And so just two of them. Right up in those little clips there. Here's a T. What does this say? T20. And all your problems are solved. $100 cheaper if you had to do both. That one actually hasn't fallen apart yet. Surprise, surprise. Okay, next time.